start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. Today, my name is Abdul Salam. I am from Gadar. I live in Gadar. I am 14-year-old. I am the student of English Language Academy Gadar, as well as I am the student of GHS Adam Giri. Today, I have my best friend, Mr. Harun. I want to ask some questions from Harun. Okay, Mr. Harun, how are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I am fine. Will you tell me something about your future?
So, well, in future, first of all, I will do my FSC, and then I will do diploma, computer diploma, and then I will go to foreign country. In foreign country, I will do business. So, Mr. Abdul Salam, in your opinion, Pakistan will a develop country in future or not?
Okay, Mr. Harun, you asked such a great question. Pakistan will develop country, inshallah, but we have some problem in Pakistan. The developing want education, and our Pakistan people they are not educated. And if you look to European countries, so they are educated, so the your countries are also developed. The Pakistan will become developed country, inshallah, but if we have educated.
Okay, so why you are learning English?
Okay, Mr. Harun, you asked such a great question. Yeah, English. That's why I learn English because English is a good language, and it's for speak everywhere. Like if you go to Saudi Arabia, so if you don't know the Arabic language, so the second language of Saudi Arabia is English. So if you don't know the Arabic language, so you can easily talk to them in English. Okay, Mr. Harun, will you tell me something about your favorite personality?
So, well, my favorite personality is my father because he always support me in education, and he cared me in madrasa, and all time he support me, and he is a great person for me. For me.
Okay, so it was our reporting. See you next time.